Hello, lovely YouTubers. I am quite medicated with the herb that God giveth, and it is more Bible lessons today. And I thought, as it's Christmas, I might as well start on the New Testament. I've got to do it sooner or later, and sooner rather than later. I need to get myself a couple of bookmarks so I can start marking out different parts of the book so I can carry on with the other parts. And to carry on the medication, we must. So I'll just carry on with that. Cool down really well. And this is the New Testament of the Holy Bible, the book of Moses, and the Gospel according to Matthew. Matthew is the Gospel written by a Jew, two Jews, about a Jew. Matthew is the writer. His countrymen are the readers, and Jesus Christ is the subject. Matthew's design is to present Jesus as the King of the Jews and long-awaited Messiah, though a careful selected series of the Old Testament quotations. Matthew documents Jesus Christ's claim to be the Messiah. His genealogy, baptism, messages, and miracles all point to the same inescapable conclusion. Christ is King. Even in his death, seeming defeat is turned to victory. By the resurrection, and the message again echoes forth, the King of the Jews live. At an early date, this gospel was given the title Carta Mattheon, according to Matthew. As this title suggests, other gospel accounts were known at the time. The word gospel was added later. Matthew, gift of the Lord, also surnamed Levi. Mark 2.14, Luke 5.27. And then we got chapter 1, Once Upon a Time, the book of the generations of Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. Abraham begat Isaac, and Isaac begat Jacob, and Jacob begat Judas, and his brethren, and Judas begat Pharez, and Zama of Tamar, and Pharez begat Esrom, and Esrom begat Arma, and Arma begat Amminadab, and Amminadab begat Nason, and Nason begat Solomon, and Solomon begat Booz of Rechab, and Booz begat Obed of Ruth, and Obed begat Jesse begat David, and the king, and David and the king begat Solomon. Of her that he had the wives of Urias, and Solomon begat Rehoboam, and Rehoboam begat Abiam, and the Abiam begat Azar, and the Azar begat Jophioth, and Jophioth begat Jomram, and Jomram begat Ozios, and Ozios begat Jotham, and Jotham begat Asham, and Asham begat Esios, and Esios begat Manassias, and Manassias begat Ammon, and Ammon begat Josias, and Josias begat Josiamium. And brethren, about the time they were carried away to Babylonium. After they were brought to Babylon, Jomimus begat Siphiel, and Siphiel begat Zomrobliel, and Zobliel begat Abiud, and Abud begat Echrim, and Echrim begat Agios. Agios begat Sadok, and Sadok begat Achim, and Achim begat Aklud, and Aklud begat Haziah, and Haziah begat Mathan, and Mathan begat Jacob, and Jacob begat Joseph, and the husband of Mary, of whom was born Jesus Christ, who he called Christ, who is called Christ. So all the generations from Abraham to David are 14 generations, and from David until the carry away into Babylonian are 14 generations, and from the carrying away into the Babylon until Christ are 14 generations. Now the birth of Jesus Christ was on this wise. When, as his mother Mary was espoused to Joseph, before they come together, she was found with child of the Holy Ghost. Then Joseph, her husband, being just a man, was not willing to make her a public example, was minded to put her away privily. But while he thought on these things, behold, the angel of the Lord appeared unto him in a dream, saying, Joseph, thou son of David, fear not to take unto thee Mary thy wife, for that which is conceived in her is of the Holy Ghost, and she shall bring forth a son, and thou shalt call his name Jesus, for he shall save his people from their sins. Now all this was done, that it might be fulfilled, which was spoken by the Lord by the prophet, saying, Behold, a virgin shall be with child, and shall bring forth a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which being interpreted is God with us. Then Joseph, being raised from the sleep, did as the angel of the Lord had bidden him, and took unto him his wife, and knew her not till she had brought forth her firstborn son, and he called his name Jesus. It's the end of chapter 1, and we continue from there. I've got a little bit of decipher now. Love, people. Hope you're enjoying and read along with me. I will have a shave, I promise you. I might change my jumper soon.